Hey guys, and welcome to Clearing the Chaos. And by chaos, you know I mean life in Dubai. So I'm sitting here now in Silicon Oasis, and I just did a tour of an empty flat that I wanted to share with you guys. Several of you have had questions about housing and what to expect, what you're going to walk into if you're not getting housing accommodations. So this video will show you just a quick tour of an apartment that's available here in Silicon Oasis, Dubai. Let's look. So today I did a tour in City Oasis 1 in Dubai, Silicon Oasis. And as you can see, I got a little turned around, but I think I found my way now. These corridors are beautiful. So let's head on into the flat and see what we have waiting for us there. So as you go in, you see that we have lots of natural light that greets us as we come into this apartment. And this is a 1-bedroom. You see that you have an accessible balcony that looks over. This road is actually D54. Accessible balcony is good. There is a small dining area over to the right, and then we cut to the kitchen. So as you can see, you have, I'll just stop the video for 1 second. You have a space for 3 appliances, which aren't going to come with the apartment. You're going to have to furnish them yourself, and so you will be looking at space for the refrigerator, space for the washing machine, and then space for the stove here. So there's the refrigerator, there is the washing machine space, and then there's space for the stove. And as you can see, the space isn't that very big, so we tend to have smaller appliances here. I'm bigger than my refrigerator. So here is the guest room, and here is the built-in wardrobe. Now, not all apartments have wardrobes, or some of them may be a little larger than this one. And my friend who lives in this building, she actually has a large one. So you can see you have access to the balcony off of the main room, which is nice. Somebody had I guess they had a child. They did a little child protection there. So then we will go from the main bedroom into the main bath. And I did not snap a picture of like whether or not it had a hot water heater, which some of these do, where you just have to turn it on and make sure that it's ready. There's no shower rod installed, so you'll have to do that. And then a quick cut. Well, I moved very quickly. A quick cut to that is actually the guest bath when you walk in. And that's basically all of the apartment. So that was a video tour of a 1-bedroom in Dubai Silicon Oasis. Couple of things to keep in mind is that when you go into a building that you may love, make sure you see all of the flats that are available, because as I stated, my friend's wardrobe is much larger than the one that we actually saw in that particular apartment, and it's in the same building. Also, that particular apartment has a closed kitchen concept, versus if you went in my friend's, it's very open. So when you walk in, there's a kitchen and everything there. So you want to make sure that you see the entire offerings that they have, and then pick the one that is best for you. I want to say thank you for your time and your attention. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that way you're notified of my videos when I upload them. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.